Yes, so guys, back from church now. My way to playing lawn tennis. This is my first time of trying lawn tennis. Actually, I said in one of my videos I was going to do um get into lawn tennis, keep your body moving. I do brisk walk, I do cardio, but I want to now equally jump into lawn tennis. I want for a sport that I equally have a passion for. Passion in my spirit, not in my body, or my spirit. But I just guess that I would do so well. I'll fare well in this lawn tennis business. So on my way to the I call it pitch or the lawn to see what we can do. Of course, guys, I'll keep you posted. All right, guys, see you in a bit. So, guys, we're here at the lawn tennis. This is my makeup from church, so I'm gonna be cleaning my face off the makeup so that when I sweat, I don't get smeared and look like a caricature. If you know what I'm saying. So I'll be cleaning my face so that I maintain my steeze, so my pores breathe while I'm sweating it out. And I hope I like this game. Hope they don't trash me too hard. I always tell you, pick up the sports you like and do it well. I'm just gonna play lawn tennis for the first time, and I hope I like. I know I will like it. I'll sure like it. I'll carry you guys along. So let's just clean our face and. This lawn tennis, we call it luxury life. I'll join you guys now. Yeah, my people followed me. They want to shout, follow mommy. They want to join mommy in sports. All right, guys, let's see how it goes. Professional swimmers. Huh? Yes.
Let me have this.
It's not swimming, it's lawn tennis. Once you rest out, these are your siblings there. Outfit of the day.
I want a steady movement on those hands. All right.
They're looking moody. Akos Bobo. Akos Bobo.
I said I don't want that. Stop dragging me out. Okay? Let me go. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. 5. Continue that movement like that. Okay? Yes, I'm ready. Most of the time,
Waiting for the kids to finish swimming, then I go ahead to do my lawn tennis.
Oh, you have it. Oh, you lost it. Sorry. Let's say you have it.
Show me some excitement now. Nambabo. Our swimmers. Our cinema wants to play.
You buy this swimming top.
I remember. Our cinema wants to play lawn tennis. Judge. I see, guys. My baby's getting ready. Picture ready. Peace out. Peace out, yo. All right. You'll meet the swimmer, professional swimmer, Demi Bobo, our babola. Can I meet you? What's your name? What's your name too? Oh, God.
Your
Oh, bear.
You don't know how to wear this.
Your hair is showing.
Ṣé ẹ wo àwọn ń gbọ́ mi tí mo wà yìí.
Àwọn yẹn try. Ó ní màá kọ́ báyìí náà láàjì ló ti wá pè lọ́sọ̀ yẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lówó dé gbà wẹ̀. Ó sọ pé sáà yà try ẹ̀.
Sẹ́yìn ò gbà wẹ̀ ni.
Èmi ò gbà wẹ̀.
Àbájọ tẹ ṣe bí mi pé àmọ́ ò pé àṣẹyìn ò ní gbà wẹ̀
Èmi
ni.
ò gbà iṣẹ́ yóò yí láti gbà wẹ̀.
Kò easy o. Wàhálà kò easy o. I'm even rethinking it.
To play today, Abby. I'll play me. I don't flow now fast. So.
Ọlẹ́dẹ̀ yẹn bá kàn máa.
Only first day tí mo ṣe yẹn. You feel with
First day in the court.
Vanessa Williams. Serena Williams in the making.
Mọ́mí ẹ wà wọ́n láwẹ̀.
Good afternoon. So you are learning in the fast too. Off the court.
Thank you. Similar to badminton.
Yeah, no, badminton is hard. This is.
No, it's the same.
Oh, okay, but the ball is different.
It's like that.
Lighter. Don't be entering into the court to pick it now. Your eyes should be on the ball. Oh yeah, Serena. Serena Adebayo. Mr. Kudus is a very lazy man. He's not fast. I just said let me try my luck. Serena Adebayo. I think I'll just do the way you said it. I'll wait. But Mr. Kudus, is that correct? Jacko land.
Yes, bowling, so it's allowed.
It's not foul. Hey! That was nice. No, your bat. What's it gonna feel like? It's too much. That was too much. So do you play professional or still amateur? I've only played once, and I started last 2 weeks. Yes, I want to try and see if I would have energy. But I'm scared because usually I just go and swim. Yeah, but you can control swimming. You can control your pace. You understand? Unlike this place, it's like this one. You have to run every other time. Do you get? As in, you can decide to be in the pool and just be there. You get static. Yeah. Yeah.
Where your canvas now? Where your canvas?
Professional. Check me out. Prince Adebayo on the lawn.
Did you hear what he said?
Yeah, it has to be strict.
Yeah. And consistent.
Pressure. No press our neck. Yeah, but he's still young. And he has the physique, so. Match is in kick him. You know when you're watching action film, you know what wants to happen to the actor.
Do this for the next 3 months. You will lose a lot.
I want to lose though. Man, I don't stop pounding, yeah. But very good feeling.
Don't stiff it here.
Oishe Adebayo Serena.
Gently.
No, Serena Kolile. This one is Ferrari. Ferrari. A bit long. Aramis. What's that? Roger Federer. Yes, so Roger Federer in the making. Go boy.
You will sabi the name.
I like this. I don't tell like this things in small. In between the lines. Focus. I know I try now. Look, they didn't show me all this one. They said, "Because I built my man, they don't show me all this one. What's happened?" Of William.
They don't show me to that. This is my first time.
Hey girl. You're not hitting hard.
Swing it. You're not playing table tennis, so.
I'm telling you. Focus up now. What's wrong with you, guy? Why are you shy? And he's blushing. Don't mind him. Hit it hard. We shan't jabber now. Swing it hard. Yes, it.
This one is not my mommy who beats me.
Push it out. Yeah. Give it a shot. Come on.
But easier.
Move it. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, get double feet. Yeah. Shoulder.
Yeah, guys, we're out here. I just finished the session and it was quite interesting. I like the spots. I like the spot and I'm gonna come here again to get right. Serena Williams in the making.
Meanwhile,
Let's go together. Maintain your balance. Just stretch out first. Straighten your legs. Don't fold your legs. No, please. Good. Stretch out.
Let me see.
Stop moving your legs. Stretch out your legs. Straighten your legs.
Guys, then I'm dusted. It was a tough one, but I actually enjoyed it. It's a very good spot. You guys should try it. You won't regret it. From head to toe, I can feel my heart pumping, my blood flowing up and down, down and up. It's a good one, guys, and no regrets. I'm gonna do it over and over again. It was a good choice, and I think I found my passion in lawn tennis. All right, guys, I'll see you in my next video. Hope you like what you see. Like, share, subscribe, and of course, stay with me for. Anyway, guys, see you in my next video.